Chances are you've had to buy tires, whether it's replacing your old tires, you got a flat, who knows, you hit something in the road. Nonetheless, now you can buy them online from BF Goodrich in just 3 easy steps. You can have your tires ordered from your house. All you gotta do is type in your vehicle information and location, and they can pull up the exact tire options that will be best for you. You add the tires of your choice to your cart, and then they can help find the best location to take your car to so you can get them put on. Pretty easy stuff. And while you're there, you can enter to win a chance to win the BF Goodrich Tires sweepstakes. It's a 2011 Toyota Tacoma that our very own Ian Johnson from Xtreme Off-Road is making into a dual-purpose truck that is an off-road machine, but you can also use it as a daily driver. Check it out.